Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about how MrBeast is not only outdoing PewDiePie in subscribers every single month, but he's basically getting more subscribers than he is with the same amount of views, and how he's also beating YouTube's algorithm and how you can do it too as a small channel. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Okay, so yeah, if you don't know who MrBeast is, where have you been? Every week on the trending page, he's #1. And he's there for days and days and days and days. He's in everyone's homepage, everyone's recommended section. Yeah, MrBeast. He is the best YouTuber right now. He's killing it, killing the game. He has found a way to beat the YouTube algorithm. He pretty much is the algorithm. Like, he sets the algorithm at this point. So, how does he do it? Well, he does the perfect click-through rate. So if you don't know what click-through rate is, it's how many times people click on your videos comparatively on how many times YouTube is showing it in people's recommended sections. The more clicks you get, which means YouTube is saying, okay, we're showing this a lot, people are clicking on it a lot, let's keep showing it more and more and more, and that's how your video goes viral. MrBeast's videos, every single video he uploads every week or two, goes viral. He gets over 30 million views per video. Yeah, it's crazy. Meanwhile, PewDiePie, he's still the most subscribed, but MrBeast, in my opinion, in the next couple of years will out-subscribe PewDiePie, because PewDiePie doesn't have that mainstream appeal. PewDiePie appeals to gamers and his core audience. And MrBeast has that mass appeal. When you look at his thumbnails and his titles, even the most casual YouTube viewer will click on his videos. PewDiePie, again, if you're a core audience or into gaming, then you'll click on his videos. So he's more of a niche at this point. Even if he has more subscribers, he's not getting as many views. PewDiePie uploads more often. MrBeast every week to 10 days or every 2 weeks. And PewDiePie doesn't get as many views per video either. So, yeah. In order to get a better chance for your video to go viral, you need to have something that's reactionary, shocking, and something that's extreme in your title and thumbnail. Okay? Money related, either giving away money, having other YouTubers, other influencers in your title and thumbnail. Stuff like that. Of course, sexual stuff does do good, but of course with sexual stuff, that doesn't tend to get monetized. So if you're looking to make monetization, you know, money on YouTube, having sexual stuff in your videos isn't really the way to go. Yes, it gets more clicks, but it doesn't get you money. So if you want to do the best, which is getting money and clicks, views, yeah, then anyway. And you have, of course, and if you do sexual stuff, obviously it's not going to go on trending page either. So yeah, YouTube's not going to promote that on the trending page. And when you go trending page, you get even more views. So it's one thing, of course, trending, and then another thing is to go viral and go on lots of people's, pages and stuff. So, home pages and recommended sections of YouTube, and that's how you really go viral. And basically, YouTube will show your video to the audience that's mostly related to. So yeah, and also clicking the gray bell is really important, because then you will for sure be notified when the person you're subscribed to uploads every single video. If you're not, YouTube doesn't do that anymore. So YouTube, unless you're press the gray bell, it'll just tell you when your favorite YouTuber uploads every so often, when you think you'll watch that certain video, if that makes sense. So, you know what I mean? It's better to have the gray bell on. So to tell your subscribers to press the gray bell is the most important thing, I think. Maybe even more than subscribing at this rate, because people are just gonna not see your content as often unless they are notified with the gray bell, other than being subscribed. But anyway, so yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. So that's my opinion. I think in the next 2-3 years, MrBeast will be the most subscribed on YouTube. Nothing wrong with that, it's just how things are. People are #1, but no one's #1 forever. So PewDiePie is a great guy. MrBeast, is a great guy. He has a great team around him. Also, if you're the only person in your videos, that's great, but having a team around you, like David Dobrik has the Vlog Squad, MrBeast has his friends with him in his videos, it makes the experience more better because you're not just focusing on one person, you're focusing on different personalities and they all contribute to the video at once. So just think about that. Okay, so that's that. Hopefully these tips helped you. Thumbs up the video, click the gray bell, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos next time. Mwah! Bye, guys.